your boyfriend. I'm just kidding, guys. I am back with another video. So this is a makeup tutorial, and I just thought, let me bring you guys a video to bless your Saturday in preparation for Valentine's Day. Whether you're going out with your significant other, whether you're going to be treating yourself, your girl got you covered, okay? So let's start with our face. So I've been having a lot of acne scarring, guys, and I really I can't have these pimples showing. So I'm really loving this MAC concealer palette. The concealer is very full coverage, and I find that adding this concealer underneath my foundation, it really helps to cover up all my scars. I know that Kiki Palmer also uses this because she also has a lot of acne scarring, and it also works well for her. So if you have acne scarring, I'd really recommend picking this up. For my foundation, I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection. And like I said, this foundation is medium to buildable coverage. So it wouldn't really be able to cover up all my scars on its own. So it really works well with that MAC concealer, because then it doesn't have to do too much work. And I don't have to look like I have, so many layers of foundation on my face. As you can see, it matches me quite well. I never really realized how well it matches me, but it's really good as well. So to highlight, guys, I am going heavy on the highlight, okay? It's Valentine's Day, go big or go home, right? So the first highlight I'm using is the Revlon Candid highlighter, and I'm just highlighting all the usual places. You guys know the drill by now. I like to use my fingers first and then go in with the brush. One thing about this concealer is that you have to work fast. It really dries really quickly, and once it dries, it's very hard to blend out properly. So I wasn't kidding when I said I'm going crazy on the highlight. So I'm adding an even brighter highlight, and this one is by MAC. And like I said, I just really want that accentuated, bright under eye look. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Ad break. Have you done all these things? If not, then what are you waiting for? Please support the channel, guys. I really do appreciate it. Back to regular programming. So this right here, guys, has really helped to elevate my makeup game. Adding these two concealers together has just taken my contour game to another level. So first I go in with the Pro Conceal, and then I add the brown shade from that MAC concealer quad. So the brown shade is more so warm, and as you can see, guys, look how beautiful. Can we just look at how beautifully that blends out? Guys, can you see this? I feel like it just works so well together, and the fact that it's warm really, really, really just complements my skin tone. But I found that mixing these two together has just taken me to another level. And when I told you I wasn't kidding about a bright under eye, I literally wasn't kidding. So technically this is actually like a color corrector, but for me personally, I really like that yellow tone, that yellow tone under eye highlight look, and that's why I feel like adding that just gives that extra yellowness to me. So to set my face, I'm using the Candid setting powder. So this is like a translucent powder, meaning you can just use it all over your face. So I set my under eye, I set the rest of my face, and I set my face first, and then I bake. So to actually bake my face, I'm using a yellow powder. And like I said, I really like that yellow undertone highlight look. So using a yellow powder really just helps to brighten up your highlight, but give it a yellow look as well. So you can use the Sacha Buttercup. You can use the Benai banana powder. Those will also give you that yellow look. So I'm then setting my contour, and as you guys can see, it really just looks so beautiful. And to reverse contour, another thing is that you want to just be light-handed with this, because if you put too much powder, it just looks too harsh. So for my blush, I'm using this Dior Sun Kiss powder. And guys, just look at how well that marries with the contour that I use. because that contour was like a warm shade and the sun-kissed powder is like orange, just look at how it just accentuates. Oh, I'm loving it, guys. So let's move on to the eyes, and this is like the simplest eye look in the universe. Literally just use one eyeshadow color. So I just set my eyelids and, you know, the usual. And the eyeshadow that I'm using is this loose powder. It's like an orangey red kind of loose powder, and I just basically packed it underneath on my, I packed it on my lower lash line, and then I just winged it out slightly. So this look is inspired by Teairra Walker, and it's really simple, guys, very self-explanatory. Pause to quench our throats, and then back to the hard work. Just want to brush your face off. You really don't want to be walking around with like excess powder on your face. So just make sure you brush off all the excess powder. Essence is like my favorite. You know, they just need to send me a check because I'm promoting them like crazy. But their mascaras are really good. Very affordable and very effective. So for highlight, I'm going in with my Soph X palette by Makeup Revolution Pro. And I always say, if they can't see me from space, then I need to add even more highlight, guys. I just want to like shine like a diamond. But I really love this highlight. Just look at how it just works, you know. So I go heavy-handed with it. I'm not shy. And I just keep adding more and more. So we're moving on to our lips. And of course, this Valentine's Day look will not be complete with a signature red lip. Lining my lips with, again, Essence. Essence is just really very affordable, honestly. And they do have really good products, as you can see. And this is like my OG Holy Grail makeup product, is my Ruby Woo from MAC. No matter how many liquid lipsticks come out, I'll always go buy this one. And guys, this is the finished look.